What's up, you guys? My name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. So I've been sitting in the car waiting for this guy to stop using his leaf blower so I can record this intro and outro for you guys, but it doesn't seem like he's finna stop anytime soon, so excuse the background noise. I really wish everybody could stop doing what they're doing when I record, but unfortunately I have to share the world with everybody else. So today I'm finna be replacing the O2 oxygen sensor on my Series 3 XJ6. I'm getting ready for smog, and a faulty oxygen sensor can cause a vehicle to fail emissions due to the increased levels of pollution in the exhaust gases. So let's get to it. Park the car and let the engine cool down. The oxygen sensor is located on the left side driver's side, mounted on the catalytic converter. Disconnect the electrical connector from the sensor. Use an oxygen sensor socket or wrench to remove the old sensor. You can borrow this kit from your local auto parts store. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen and remove it. While the O2 sensor is out, I'll be spraying 1 can of mass airflow sensor into the catalytic converter to help clean and remove the carbon buildup. It's not harmful and it dries fast, but you don't have to follow this step. Prepare the new oxygen sensor. Make sure the new oxygen sensor has NICs on the threads. This will make it easier to remove in the future. Thread the new oxygen sensor by hand, then use a socket to tighten it clockwise. Be careful not to over tighten. Clean the wiring connector with a wire brush and add a dab of dielectric grease. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new sensor. Next, you have to reset the service interval counter. Remove the retainer screws on the trunk carpet panel and remove it out of the way. On the left side, you'll see a black box unit with a white button on top. Press on it firmly for 5 seconds and you're done. So besides getting the oxygen sensor illuminated on the dash, there's a few other symptoms that may indicate that you need to replace the oxygen sensor, such as poor fuel economy, rough idling, or smell of fuel. If you're experiencing any of those symptoms, then you should get the oxygen sensor checked and replaced if necessary. If you guys found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. I appreciate you guys for watching, and if you personally want to support this channel, there's a donation link in the video description, or you can purchase a super thanks. All donations will be used for tools, parts, and video equipment to bring you guys more dope videos like this one. This guy just never stopped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.